How to verify ID unknowns. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can verify your ID unknowns. So in order to verify your ID, first of all, make sure that your device is up to date and also make sure that you are connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first of all, log in. For that, you can either use an application or you can also use a web browser. In my case, I'm going to use a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, tap the login button located in the top right hand side corner. As soon as you do that, it's going to ask you to enter in your credential. That could either be your email address or a phone number, or you can also continue with your Google and whatsoever. Next page, enter in the password. As soon as you're done entering the credential, you'll be logged in. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. So whenever you hit the limit of operation available with that ID verification, Knowns UI would suggest you to increase the limit by verifying your ID. So first of all, you need to open up a verification page, which you'll be able to account center page, and after that you'll need to insert in your details. So basically you'll have to provide in your government's issued ID. That will either be your passport, your state ID, or a driver license whatsoever. Once you've done that, you also need to provide the ID photo, and then it might sometimes ask you to complete a face verification. So while doing a face verification, make sure not to wear any props such as glasses, hats whatsoever, and make sure that you have a proper lit room. Complete a face verification. After that, it's going to take a while in order to complete the procedure. So till then, you can wait patiently, and for some reason if you're unable to verify, then you can re-upload the documents or recheck the information that you provided and corrected. After that, your verification will be successful. So that's basically how you can verify your ID unknowns. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.